To define a school makerspace by its purpose and simplest of terms, it is a place where young people have an opportunity to explore their interests, learn to use tools and materials, both physical and virtual, and develop creative projects. With a makerspace, we can move beyond consumption to creation. However, a makerspace is more than a space itself. It is a mindset that can and should be taught. A makerspace inspires young people to become innovators, to appreciate the value of hands-on projects where they have to solve a real-world problem and demonstrate mastery. It emphasizes the importance of learning to draw on academic content from multiple disciplines to solve a problem, to work in teams. A makerspace is a room that contains tools and components, allowing people to enter with an idea and leave with a complete project. The best part is that makerspaces are communal. The goal is to work together, to learn, to collaborate, and to share. Makerspaces allow us to explore, create new things, or improve upon things that already exist. It enables us to learn. It inspires, it motivates, it rejuvenates.